Flashback to Puerto Rico 2003. Papa and Grandma, first trip to Puerto Rico. The natives were restless.
Morning sunlight illuminates our balcony facing the ocean waves.
Even in 2003, Grandma loved balconies. And with a view like this, why not? Foaming ocean tides crash against rocky breakwaters, protecting tranquil bays.
Mornings promise island adventures.
Papa swings his golf club to bright green fairways. Grandma playing with the ducks. Historic Bacardi rum factory features a crimson bat logo. Tall painted smokestacks rise above industrial brewing facilities. Beautiful gardens frame unique metal art. A road trip into the Puerto Rican mountains. Heavy, thick, white morning fog blankets, lush valleys hiding distant rural villages. Rio Camui Cave Park, dark limestone cave entrances, illuminating jagged hanging ceiling formations. Massive ancient mineral stalactites drip continuously inside cavernous dark underground natural chambers. Okay, back then, Papa thought he was hot. And Sunja, Washington S. hot. Lush grass-covered fortress embankments slope gently toward restless deep blue waters. Hungry gray pigeons flock near old black iron gates. They were everywhere. Focused local men play dominoes outside vibrant yellow shaded fruit vendor cart. Grandma bends forward gently petting friendly stray tabby cats on cobblestone streets. Papa and Grandma smiling brightly across the grassy park lawn. Weathered coastal houses face vast, uninterrupted, deep blue ocean horizon. Nostalgic vacation memories capture pure, unscripted, joyful moments. Glad we did Puerto Rico, but not our favorite place.